Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to pin a chat in Facebook Messenger. It is easy and simple. So let's get started. First of all, when you open Facebook Messenger, then you should have to open your Facebook Messenger group. Once you open the group, and then when you type something or write something, let's suppose I am typing hi, how are you, and then send it to the group. Now you want to pin this message to show all the members of the group. So for this you want to pin this message, but the pin option is not available in Facebook Messenger. So for this you should have to drag this message to the left a little bit. Once you drag it a little bit, then type @ and after @ type everyone and then send it. Facebook Messenger will show your message to all the members of this group. So that's the easy and simple method. I hope you will like this video. Thanks, goodbye.